Hello again, it's me, it's Linux Wonders. So for today's vlog is all about food. Ka-foodie tayo ngayon mga guys. Puro food ang vlog ko ngayon. So sabay-sabay tayo magutom. So ito yung mga home cooked food na usually I cook for the week. These are the menus. Mga gulay mostly. Mix lang ito. May pasta, may kanin, may curry, and everything. It's all mixed, but it's all pure cooking. Then yung mga kinain ko sa labas, pag lumalabas ako, this one is the pepper lunch. Masarap ito guys. Halo-haloin mo habang mainit pa. Sizzling siya guys. Lagyan mo yung sauce ng kapitan. Actually, this and it's yummy. It's my first time to try, so this is Linux version. So, let's eat. Ito naman, figs. Pinabaliwala lang natin ito dati, pero ang mahal pala nito. And they said it's very beneficial to our health and very healthy. Ito naman is melon, Japanese melon. Actually, it's very orange inside. Masarap siya guys for breakfast, for sa mga nagda-diet dyan, at for healthy living. So, if gusto mo ng healthy meals or healthy breakfast, ito figs for healthy life. Ito coffee, bread. Ito lang usually mostly ang breakfast ko, a black coffee, a toast or any bread, and of course a fruits and a cup of water. That's my breakfast every day, ganyan, para healthy tayo. Mahirap na nagkakaedad siya. So ito lang guys. So usually this whole vlog is all about the food that I cook for the whole week or I ate when I went outside. Avocado, syempre na-miss natin tong with powdered milk. Kasi yummy. Nag-crave talaga ako nito, so I bought this beer brand. And of course, salad, lettuce. Ito, masarap tong green na cherry tomatoes, guys. It's so sweet siya. And then, lagyan mo ng konting sibuyas. Ito naman, cheese in peppermint, blue cheese. And then, Barilla, penne, pasta. This is for our lunch for today. So, let's cook, guys. Masarap to, guys, in fairness. So, bali, Italian version ito, guys. Tara, let's eat. Anyway, guys, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for joining me in my premiere. Salamat sa mga collab teams, co-founders, members, co-admins. Thank you very much. God bless us all. So, nag-crave kami ng ham. Anyway, from Korea. Ito, ham Korea. Tapos, with cucumber with chili. It's yummy pala, guys. Tapos, iulam mo siya sa maraming rice. Yum! With Coca-Cola. Yummy. So, ito is, pot. In clay pot. Kumain kami sa restaurant. Favorite ko yung, dito. Yung hot milk tea nila. Yummy siya, guys. Tapos, ipupo mo itong sauce after that. Yum! Okay, that's it, guys. Let's enjoy the food for today. Masarap to. Mixed tikka siya, guys. Sizzling siya. Kumain kami sa Morocco Indian restaurant. It's yummy. And of course, this one is Thailand restaurant. But green curry, of course. Rice is life. So, let's enjoy. Ito naman, Japanese curry. Of course, cooked by me. And a clams with lots of chili. So, let's enjoy, guys. Kain. Bye-bye. Let's eat guys. So ang pagkain ko ngayon is grilled eel and chicken. Dito lang yan sa Yoshinoya. Let's enjoy cappuccino. Dito lang yan sa Delifrance Central. Kape tayo guys. Well, kape tayo ulit guys. Ito masarap to. Ritz toasted chips. This is original from London. Pag from London, masarap. Pati yung ano nila, meron pa yung digestive snacks. Masarap din guys. I like this. Yummy. Tapos isaw-saw mo sa kape siya. Pilipino talaga. Pag bet nyo mag happy hour, dito lang yan. Sa second floor mo. Ayan. Tapos baba niya is Jollibee. Jollibee, my God. Pinoy store. Yan. Tapos kung gusto nyo na mag-hot pot, dito yun. Dito lang pala sa second floor, barbecue.
Nakain na ako eh. Napitira mo na? Pwede na ko kainin?
Pwede na. Parang chicharon din na.
Propok ito?
This is
banana with ice cream.
these are the signature.
Ito yung banana with ice cream. Di ba ito yung buko?
Yeah, and this is our signature drink. Buko.
Buko to. Bakit may ice cream pa rin?
Ah,